Welcome to Arjun English School. Today I am going to start a chapter differentiation, that is class 5 for differentiation chapter in 12th standard. Here I am going to start rule number 10, maximum revenue. In earlier class we have completed the method minimum cost. Here it is related to maximum revenue, where revenue denoted by R. R stands for X into P. Here there is one step extra that we call step 0. Means before starting sum, we have to check the equation is in the form of R, that is revenue. Revenue is equals to X into P, where X stands for demand or units and P stands for price. So here revenue is equals to demand multiplied by price. And now all these steps are almost similar to rule number 9, that is minimum cost. dr upon dx, d square r upon dx square, dr upon dx is equals to 0, and find the value of x. Whatever the value of x it is, put the value of x in step number 2. These all are the steps are almost mostly similar to earlier method, minimum cost. Now here there is small change, that is in step number 5, select such x where answer is negative. In earlier method, we select such x where the answer is positive because it is related to cost. But now it is related to revenue, and that's why we select the answer of having negative sign. Now step number 6, as we have discussed here, x is equals to demand, p is equals to price, and r is equals to revenue. So why I have mentioned here? Because if they are asking for find the demand, then x stands for demand. If they are asking for find the price, then put the value of x in price p equation. And if they are asking for find out the maximum revenue, then we have to put the value of x in main function having r. So if they ask for find, then put the value of x in equation p. If they ask to find out about r revenue, then put the value of x in r equation. Okay. So here there is a question that is in section E from your textbook. I am going to start question number 8. P is equals to 30 minus x square divided by 10. And find the demand and price. Here the main function equation is in the form of P. But as we all know that according to step number 0, it should be in the form of R. So R stands for x into P. So now there is a extra work for step number 0. R is equals to x into P. X is as it is. And instead of p, we can write 30 minus x square divided by 10. Now x is in the multiplication of 30 as well as x square. So x into 30, it becomes 30x, and x square multiplied by x, it becomes x cube divided by 10. So this is the step number 0. Extra work to start with this sum. Understood? Why we have done so? Because it is in the form of P. But if the question is in the form of R, then there is no need for this extra work. We can start this sum with the step 1. Understood? Now all the steps are similar. Step number 1, that is derivative of R, dr upon dx. Now if I am applying derivative, it is 30x, instead of x value is 1, so it is 30 into 130 minus here the power is 3 and base is x. So 3 comes in the front of x, so it is 3x, and deduct the power by 1, so 3x squared divided by 10. This is the step 1. Now step 2, d square r upon dx square. Here there is no x, so we can say that it is 0 minus, here the power is 2, 3 into 2, 6x, power deducted by 1, 6x raised to 1 divided by 10. This is the step 1, this is step 2. Now step 3, that is dr upon dx is equals to 0. Now this is the 30 minus 3x squared by 10, that is the dr is equals to 0. Now we have to solve by simple way and find the value of x. This minus goes into opposite side, it becomes 30 equals to 3x squared by 10. Thereafter 10 multiplied with 30, it becomes 300 is equals to 3x squared. 3 goes into the denominator, 300 by 3, it is 100. So we can say that x squared is equals to 100. And now if I am going to under root of this 100, the answer may be 10 positive or 10 negative, because square of 10 positive square it is 100 and negative of 10 negative 10 square it is also 100. So we have to write that x is equals to 10 and x is equals to minus 10. This is the step 3. Now step number 4, put the value of x, these two values, x is equals to 10 and x is equals to minus 10. Put the value of x in step 2. Step 2 is here, that is minus 6x by 10. So here minus 6x by 10, again minus 6x by 10, but for one time x is equals to 10 and second time x is equals to minus 10. So minus 6, x is equals to 10 divided by 10. 10, 10, cut. So x is equals to, here is minus 6 and here 10, 10, cut, minus, minus, plus. So here answer is 6. So if I am putting x is equals to 10, I got minus 6, and here if I am putting minus 10, I get the answer 6. So it is the step number 4. Now in step number 5, select such x where answer is negative. Here answer is negative over here, and that's why we have to select x is equals to 10. That is in step number 5, minus 6 less than 0 means it is in negative form, and hence x is equals to 10. This is the step 5. So now almost the sum is ending over here, but now we have to check that what the question demands. The question demand is find out the demand and price. So demand stands for x as we have discussed, and therefore value of x is equals to 10 units. So demand is equals to 10 units. They have also asked for price. Price stands for P, and P is equals to 30 minus x squared by 10. So instead of x, we can write 10 here. So 10 square divided by 10. So it is 10 square 100, 100 by 10 it is 10 and it is 30. So 30 minus 10 it is 20. So we can say that demand is equals to 10 and price is equals to 20. But here they have not asked about the revenue. But let us say that if they are asking about the revenue, find out the revenue, then the revenue function is this. R is equals to 30x minus x cubed by 10. Now if they are asking about the revenue, then put the value of x is equals to 10 in this equation. Then we can find maximum revenue for this equation. Is that clear? So now here we have completed rule number 10, having 6 simple steps. Here one more step extra, that is step 0 as compared to earlier method, that is the minimum cost. And the main difference is here we have to select the negative value, whereas in minimum cost we have to select the positive value. And remaining all the procedures are same, and at last we have to check whatever the question demands. If they ask for demand, price or revenue, we have to put the value accordingly: demand, price and revenue. Understood? So finally we have completed this rule number 10, maximum revenue. So I am ending this session. Now if you have any doubts, please contact here, and thank you.